Alright homies, so starting off this video early in the day. It's about 7 in the morning. I got a couple things that I have to do. I'm picking up a motor today. I got some more news on the S12 that I'm going to share, and that's really it. But this video is mostly for the motor that I'm picking up. And once I get inside, I will explain some more. So the S12, update with that, I had an issue where my sway bar was hitting my oil pan. And to fix that, all I did was turn my sway bar upside down. So I turned my sway bar upside down, and now my sway bar clears my oil pan. I don't know if you can see the oil. It's really a bad angle, but my sway bar was underneath the pan, hitting the pan, but now it's above the pan in this kind of area underneath the harmonic balancer, well, the crank pulley, and now I have clearance. I don't know if you can see that. I have old bushings in there, but hey. Now I have to clean up most of this area, just kind of this over here, because I'm picking up a F22B2 for my Accord running. I'm picking one up for $150 because I'm going to boost my Accord too once this S12 is done and running, well, done and driving. I don't know if, I think I showed this carpet. I'm not sure though, but I got a full carpet for the S12. Trying to make this car comfy as a mug. Gotta trim it, gotta put some sound deadening things. I gotta seal the floor off so no water gets inside, and then I gotta 3M it, adhere it to the chassis. So that will be another video. I'm not doing that today. This is not really an S12 video today.
For the torque converter that costs a little bit of money, got platinum in it.
Let's keep the platinum to ourselves. Motor's finally out, the Maverick. Gonna scrap this Ford 1JZ right here, the inline 6. Yeah, this is some vintage stuff right here. It's definitely a 2JZ though. It's all right. Oh, if that would have rolled down.
What's that?
This stuff is old.
I have to get everything done while I ain't making no money right now.
I'm not gonna do that. He's jacking up the front. I was telling me the dash in here is better than mine. Alright. I'm about to go get some. Whoa. Hello. I'm about to go get some gas for the pocket bikes. No AC. Roll the windows down. While we wait for the truck that we're going to use we're going to borrow a friend's truck to take these motors out. Well, to pick up mine, to take these to the junkyard and to pick up mine. So I'm just going to get some gas real quick. Only got a couple bucks, but for a little mini bike, should be a good time. I got that gas. Now we're going back to fuel up and have a little bit of fun on these. Oops. On these bikes.
That's a hookah, bro?
What?
Is that?
On what?
That's a camera.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I thought you was driving around with that hookah.
We're at the destination. Grab my vape. Car's messy as balls. We double YouTubing?
Yeah.
that's it. Goodbye. I don't even know what motor this is, but it's the Ford 1J, the 70s 1J. Alright, so now we gotta take this stuff to the yard, pick up my thing.
Yes, and all that shit. You can't do it. Tupac did the same thing.
Alright, homie, so I got the motor. I can't really videotape in here because rules and regulations, blah, 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 blah. But y'all know I'd be doing it anyway, so we gonna do it. Motor right there. Yeah. I got a transmission already. I got a transmission. It's for my other car. It's,
Yeah, I said, but this one, this is, yeah, it was, came out in 94, right?
Yeah.
I got the transmission from this.
yep.
Okay.
It ran too.
Yeah,
It ran.
I had it running.
You had it running?
Yeah, I started up before I took the transmission. I tried the transmission. It started good.
Nice.
It ran good.
Nice. It runs. We're gonna take it apart. We're gonna boost it. We're gonna boost it. Nice little 2.2 single jingle F22B2. It's nice. Oh man. So yeah, S12, right? S12 is almost done. It's just a lot of little things. Once I get my sway bar links, then I will be able to put it down, test drive it, register and short, drive it. Who needs a speedo and attack to drive it? I can do all those things little by little while it drives with extremely low boost until I can somehow afford to get a Mega Squirt ECU and somehow afford to tune that Mega Squirt ECU. But right now we got a little 2.2 stock rebuild, psych, forged rods, forged pistons, BC cam, and Honda. That's the plan for this one. I'm not a Honda head, I just like engines, so I'm gonna go home. This is what we came here for, acquired the golden 2.2, and now that's it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here, home skillets. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to do some new things with these edits, some focus on some scenery this time. And that's really it. I'm sticking my head in the AC because it's hot as balls outside. So like and subscribe. Have a nice day. I gotta pay this man before he thinks I'm stealing his thing. Peace.